In this video, I'm going to show you how to add money to your Suica card using your iPhone. Suica is a prepaid transit card used widely in Japan for trains, buses, and even some stores. And adding money to it through Apple Wallet is quick and convenient. First, open the Wallet app on your iPhone. If you haven't already added a Suica card, you'll need to do that before you can add money. Tap the plus icon in the top right corner and select Suica from the list of transit cards. You can either create a new Suica card or add an existing one by entering the card details. Once your Suica card is added to your wallet, tap on it to open the card details. Here, you'll see your current balance, recent transactions, and other options. To add money, look for the button that says Add Money and tap it. Next, choose the amount of money you want to add to your Suica card. You can select from preset amounts, like 1,000 yen, 2,000 yen, or 5,000 yen. Or you can enter a custom amount, depending on how much you want to load. After choosing the amount, you'll need to select your payment method. This can be a debit or credit card that you've already added to Apple Wallet, or an Apple Cash balance if you have one. Make sure the payment method you choose has sufficient funds for the transfer. Once you selected the payment source, confirm the transfer. Depending on your device settings, you may need to authorize it using Face ID, Touch ID, or your Apple ID password. After confirmation, the money will be added to your Suica card instantly, and you'll see the updated balance right in the Wallet app. It's important to note that adding money to Suica through Apple Wallet is very secure. Apple doesn't store your card numbers on the device or on their servers, and each transaction is authorized using your secure Apple ID credentials. And that's it. You've successfully added money to your Suica card on your iPhone. You can now use it for train rides, bus trips, or even making purchases at compatible stores. Adding money is fast, convenient, and keeps your transit card ready to go anytime you need it.